Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Fifine Technology Cardioid USB microphone. Now, for under $30 US, this was furnished to me by the manufacturer for review, but this is an incredibly affordable option for those of you looking to do live streaming or use this for YouTube, vocals, voiceovers, instrumentals, things of that sort. Of course, you will need a pop filter because, again, it is essentially in many ways identical, not necessarily in terms of quality. I haven't tested it yet, so I can't speak to that, as the Blue Yeti that I'm using right now on my channel. So with that said, let me get this out of the box. You can see not a lot going on here in the packaging, pretty straightforward, just a white box. And it does have a small footprint. Ooh, I just made a hole in the desk, I think. It does have a small footprint, and basically, you know, at 30 bucks, as I keep mentioning, or under $30 US, this is about, well, it's close to one of the most inexpensive items of its kind. Now, whether or not it's going to perform beyond that price point is what will be interesting to see. And you can see some paperwork right out of the box immediately. FifineMic.com is their company website. Facebook, as well as contact for support. And it does come in two colors, black and essentially what is a pink-ish color. I did go with the black color. And here it is. And it's going to be interesting to see whether or not this does actually perform as advertised. It does have a full metal build here from what I can feel. It does come, you can see here's the USB cord. It is quite long, as one would hope. Volume control right here. So essentially your gain control is what I will call that. And this is your mounting point. So let's go ahead and take a look at the included stand. That does come with the microphone that you can just screw right onto here. And again, the idea is to use this, as I mentioned, for, you know, a wide variety of things, kind of like the Blue Yeti that I'm using now, whether it's for streaming on Twitch, YouTube, whatever it may be. You know, it's going to give you, hopefully, high quality audio in a very small form factor. In fact, I'd liken this more to the form factor, although it is still slightly larger than my Blue Yeti Raspberry, which is, of course, the portable version of the Blue Yeti that still promises the same quality. Now, another piece sent to me by the manufacturer, I'm going to open right now while you stare at that microphone. Cut this thing open. See what we've got here. And, you know, if this does work out, and I'm absolutely going to test it, I'm going to shoot a review with it. Of course, I'm going to test it before I actually use it for review. I'm really hoping I didn't destroy my desk there. Takes enough of a beating. And it was hard enough to find after it got destroyed the first time by Hurricane Matthew. But luckily, the company that I originally purchased it through did still have it in stock. So Fifine recommended that I get this, but it looks like it's exactly the same as the one that comes with it. Key difference being that it's metal. No, they're both metal. So it's just that it's a chrome finish as opposed to the black finish that we have here. So nothing really new or different to show you with that. But that's what we've got here. Again, Fifine, this does have a lot of play, which I'm assuming can be adjusted. I'm not seeing a way to tighten it up, but there's got to be, because it's got a lot of play. But adjustment for, obviously, the physical location of the microphone right here on the left-hand side of the actual mount itself, and you tighten it up just by going clockwise. So we'll see how it performs. Again, it should be interesting. If it does a good job, I'm going to let all of you know, and that just means it's a fantastic value. So that is why I agreed to review it when Fifine reached out to me, because at its price point, if it can deliver anything remotely close to what I'm accustomed to with Blue Yeti, then it's a steal. So there's the user guide. Of course, I'm going to go through all of this on my own, but again, it seems like a great value, and I'll be letting you know whether that happens to be the case or not. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.